wipers. I'll get the windshield wipers going. Now we'll just sit here for a minute. Wind is just barreling in through here. Doesn't take much of a wind to really blow this snow into something. Just curious that there will be thunder snow, any thunder activity, lightning activity as a result of this storm. It's a possibility. Snow seems to be somewhat granular in the way I hear it falling on the car. I'm expecting ice pellets, possibly freezing rain later here in Oshawa, Ontario, Canada. Camera's going in and out of focus. That's okay. Still amazing how many people are out on the road in a storm like this. Still go to the mall on the worst possible nights. Oh, the wind is picking up. Okay, I don't want to run down my battery so much, so I'm gonna hit the ignition here.